That sort of trades off with the value of the dollar. So as you see, the dollar's gotten a little weaker. You're seeing some strengthening in commodity costs, and so while we'll have some pain from the higher commodity costs, we should get some benefit from the stronger foreign currencies as those get translated into our U.S. dollar earnings.
What about North America? What can you tell us about the environment here in the U.S.?
Well, our business in North America is kind of mixed. Our consumer business continues to be fairly solid, although the consumer is challenged. So our diaper shares were pretty much unchanged. The diaper category is pretty flat. Bathroom tissue, we saw a little bit of shifting into the value segment. Training pants, mom's maybe waiting a little bit longer to put her child in the training pants, so keeping them in diapers a little bit longer. Our healthcare business, as you'd expect with H1N1, was very strong in the quarter. And so that was a big positive for us in North America.
That's really interesting. So people do change behavior during an economic slowdown. You actually saw evidence of that.
Just a bit, yes.
What about some of the acquisitions? You've, of course, been on a bit of a buying spree of late, closing a deal in April for Jackson Safety. You recently announced 2 more acquisitions. Going forward, does the growth of the company come from acquisitions or organic?
Well, these are really small tuck-in acquisitions, and so we've seen some terrific growth with acquisition opportunities we've been able to pick up this year. And for the first time, we haven't had a lot of private equity guys around competing for those. So a strategic buyer like us can actually get close to a deal every once in a while.
So do you see holes in the business that you would like to fill in terms of deals? Where might that be?
Well, certainly in our case of professional business in the safety area, we'd look at that. And in healthcare, the 2 deals we looked at are in the medical device arena that we continue to focus on. We've got some work to do to integrate those, but we continue to look for some tuck-in opportunities in any of our businesses around the world if we found those chances.
You mentioned the flu. The company recently announced the Flu Fighters contest. Office workers and managers sharing their flu fighting tips. Tell me about this and what kind of a flu season you're expecting and what impact that might have. I'm sorry? Sir, Mr. Park, thank you very much. We're going to try to fix any technical audio issues that we may have had with Thomas Falk and get back to him. Thomas Falk is the chairman and CEO of Kimberly-Clark. We'll take a short break, and then making money in a tough economy the way Kimberly-Clark just did in the last quarter. The CEO of Xerox, Ursula Burns, my special guest, coming, giving the insight.